Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs, and in no way am I encouraging you guys to go out and about to get any type of supply or material. If you don't have the stuff that I'm going to use for this video, just make sure to save it to your watch list and save it for another time where you can safely go out and shop. So with that said, I am going to be shopping my craft stockpile. Hopefully I can find everything that I need. Dollar Tree DIY, did I already say that? If I didn't, that's what it's gonna be. Hey, if this is your first time here, welcome. I really want to thank you guys for joining me today and would love to invite you to become part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So I'm not gonna make this too long. Let's get on to the DIY. So you guys, today I'm going to be starting with this DIY Dollar Tree faux shiplap wall. There's a lot of new friends on this channel since I've made this, which in May it'll be exactly a year since I put this up. And I made all of this with Dollar Tree foam board, and it's been one of my favorite projects ever. It was challenging, but it was super fun. Creating this wall was actually my husband's idea because he didn't want real wood or real shiplap, so I kind of had to work with my own ideas. And as you can see, I'm talking here, you guys can't really tell what I'm saying, but I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased about 26 pieces of foam board, which I think I only ended up using about 24. So I cut them to be about 5 inches wide, and they are 20 inches long, and I just measured my wall and went for it. And all I did was measure it out, cut it out with my X-Acto knife, and my X-Acto knife is literally goals because I feel like it cuts really good lines considering. And what I was gonna do was just overlap them and try to cut them out like that, but when I did that, they ended up becoming bigger and bigger, and I didn't want them. I wanted them to be as even as possible. So here I have about 8 stacks of 15, I think it was. So I used a total of 24 boards. I think I already said that. And really all I did after cutting them was just mix a little bit of black and white acrylic paint to make a nice gray, and I wanted it to look like faux wood. And I know shiplap usually is just like, you know, plain white with like I don't know. I guess everybody has an interpretation of what shiplap looks like. So this is my interpretation, and I used the paint and then also a paper towel to paint my grain look to the foam board.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected.
And to put my wall up, I used my staple gun, which takes staples and brad nails as well, and I used the brad nails. And while I was doing this project, my first nail gun or staple gun broke. It like jammed on me and I couldn't get it back together. And I was about halfway done, so my husband had to go to either Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those stores, to buy me a new one. It was so frustrating. Like I said, I had some challenges, but it was really, really fun. And I just think this is like a one-of-a-kind type of thing that you can have in your home. And I'm really happy to have made this. And like I mentioned before, if I did, this thing's still sitting pretty. And the reason that I'm sharing this today was because I am making some decor for this wall. And I haven't shared it in a while, so I wanted to show you guys again.
Life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out.
the first decor DIY, I wanted to recreate this "Happiness is Homemade" sign from, I saw it at home, like on Home Depot online, but it was either sold out or whatever. So I wanted to recreate it, and I'm actually using some Dollar Tree foam board and then a tray that I had originally made from Walmart supplies.
So I have some Dollar Tree foam board right here that I'm going to use, and then I also have this tray that I made with Walmart paint sticks, and these are 3 for 98 cents. So each pack comes with 3 and they're 98 cents, less than $1. But I made it with the intention that it could also turn into a sign. So I'm gonna stop myself before I get further into the video, and I think I called this a Dollar Tree DIY, but it's not completely a Dollar Tree DIY because I'm using Dollar Tree stuff and then Walmart stuff that cost more or less $1. So potato, potato. All right, let's get back to what we were doing.
All right, so I'm going to show what I did to make this sign, and this was on a different video. So again, I used these paint stir sticks from Walmart, and they were actually 96 cents for a 3-pack, and that was only the price that I could find in my store. Online it was different. Right now I saw it for like $1 and change, but they're completely sold out. Not surprising. A lot of their craft stuff are sold out, and I've been trying to buy these for a long time now since the quarantine happened, and I just can't get a hold of them. So I did order some through Amazon though. And so as you guys can see there, I just glued the craft stick or the stir sticks together, and then some jumbo craft sticks also from Walmart to finish my sides.
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. And with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down,
I went ahead and cut out a piece of foam board that's gonna fit perfectly in here. So that way it's already nice and framed. And then I can take it out. So the way that I'm gonna put it in there is I'll probably just put a little dot of hot glue on each corner because eventually I'll wanna take it back out. There we go, and use it as a tray again.
All right, so I'm gonna do my hand lettering here. You guys know I don't use a Cricut or Cricut or vinyl, whatever it is that you guys call them things. I don't really want to buy one of those, but I feel like I can get better if I continue doing the handwriting on my own. So I am using a Dollar Tree, it's like a glass pen, like for mugs and stuff that you can use to write on glass. And I really, really like this pen, but sometimes when I'm trying to make fine lines, it's a little hard to do. And so this is not my favorite lettering that I've done, to be honest with you, and I was almost going to redo it. Also, because about 2 hours or so after I finished this sign, I realized that I misspelled happiness, and I forgot the S in happiness, the very last S, and happiness is were really close together, so I had to like white it out and then fix it. You can't really tell, but I did make a mistake, so I might remake this whole thing anyways again. But, you know, it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, we can get out of this one.
Okay, so for this one, I wanted to make a really simple type of wreath, and so I just Googled eucalyptus wreaths because that's what I had, the eucalyptus to use, and I just saw a bunch of them. A lot of them were made through like Etsy and stuff, but even then, like the cheapest ones were about $16 or so. I did see one that I really, really liked, but it has like the thicker, bigger leaves of eucalyptus, which I don't have. Either way, I just went ahead and clicked on it to see what it looks like, and it looks really pretty, but it's $30 for one thing. And, you know, I just don't roll that way, so I'm gonna make my own, and yeah, I'll show you how.
Okay, so for this one, I have 3 pieces of a wire wreath. So it is black, but I spray painted them with a white paint. So this one's gonna be super simple. Again, I don't have a lot of what I need, but I'm gonna make do with what I do have. This eucalyptus is actually from Walmart, and the bundles are $2, but it gives you quite a bit. And I just have bits and pieces of them. And then I found these really pretty flowers in my stash also. So taking the Dollar Tree wreath wires, I'm gonna just kind of arrange them in a way, and I know you guys can't see the whole thing, but I'm gonna arrange them so that the biggest one is in the center, and then the medium and smaller one are on the sides. I want to make sure that I wrap this whole part right here.
Funny, we will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This isn't no way funny. We will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather. But right now, there's stormy weather. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track.
Alright, so last but not least, I saw these Harlow hanging planters. They come in a set of 3 for $230. They do have that galvanized look, which I really, really like, but I'm trying to stay away from the galvanized look right now and give it a more like modern or more neutral type of look. And so mine came out this way, and yeah, super excited to show you guys how I made it. So to make it, I used one of these Dollar Tree bowls, the plastic bowls, and I spray painted it with some white spray paint. And I love this little nozzle thing that I purchased on Amazon. It makes painting so much easier. It's crazy.
I'm gonna start out with one of these dowels, and these are from Walmart. They come 3 in a pack. I think it was about $2.97 for the pack, which makes this a little less than $1. I also have this wooden knob, and I'll be using one of these hangers.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end. But still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
Take this cotton twine from Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and doubled it up, and this is about 4 feet long. I am going to fold it in half. I'm gonna loop it through that hanger, and I'm basically gonna go in as if I'm gonna make a knot. So I'm gonna put that over and in like that, and then I'll do the same with the other side and in. And then just repeat the steps, alternating the sides. Feel free to paint this or stain it. I'm actually really liking the natural wood look, so I'm gonna leave it just like that, just to make it look nice and fresh and clean. And I'm gonna glue it right into the center.
Too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. years I've been the same.
You guys notice that I did put E6000 glue also on both ends, just to make sure that it does have a sturdy bond to it. So I'm lifting it up from the top. You guys can see that it's swinging around a little bit. I have 0 floral moss, so I'm not gonna be able to use that right now, but it's okay, we'll improvise right now. From Walmart, these were 97 cents each. And as you can see, they're nice and full. So no, they're not Dollar Tree, but they are cheaper than $1. So you should like that.
Why it's so hard to let go. I know I'll meet you down the line. You'll ask why I wasted my time. And I'll say I didn't know better, but the truth is I was weak and scattered, afraid of the blame. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. And I will not keep up the pace, to fool myself I don't need grace.
Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't been on here so often these days, but I'm working through some stuff. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!